Hey yo, how's it going guys? I'm Retro and welcome back to another video on Retro Vlogs. Today, we are continuing our project. We are continuing our assembly or our installation of the reed valve, the diode reed valve kit. Pretty sure that's how you say it. Plus an OKO 24mm OKO carburetor and a window piston that I made. So all that stuff was done last video, the window piston and disassembling the whole engine. So if you're gonna want to go check that out, link in the description. But this is the second part to that video. Today what we're doing is assembling everything and basically getting it all ready for its first start, which is in this video. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow-up video on how this thing performs and after the first start will be soon. Just know I got a couple of things to say about it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get on to today's video. Wrist pin is in. No, stop. Get this back in there. There it goes. There you go, guys. There it is. Bro, I might edit that out. Alright, intake is on. Now let us go and put on the carburetor. And let's tie this baby on. Yes, sir. Hell yes, brother. This looks so amazing. And it works so perfectly fine. Look, when the motor's gonna be back here, it's gonna look so good. Perfectly fine. Oh my god, I cannot wait. What is going on? Okay, well that was interesting. Okay, alright guys, so the carburetor assembly is done and that's pretty much it. Oh shit, that's pretty much it when it comes to the intake side of things. Now we need the exhaust and the head, and that'll pretty much be it. And when it comes to installing, then we'll get to start it. Let's put her back on like so. Okay, dude, this motor looks like a goddamn demon. This motor, bro, this 80cc just went demon time. Look at this thing. Oh my god, the montage is about to go crazy, bro. Bada bing, bada boom. There goes a piece of my thumb. Man, do you love to see it? Alright. There goes our okay, so guys, this is very interesting because here we have our exhaust port on our other one and it kind of looks the same, if not better. So again, we might have downgraded a little bit in cylinder size, like when it comes to like cylinder, but that cylinder's already on. I'm not taking that off. Oh well. But even better news, we have this looks horrible. Jesus Christ, this looks like ass. It's literally just, you know what? I'm not gonna touch it, because whenever you start touching shit, I really hate doing gasket work on these cheap little bikes because it's just so unreliable. Like, the gaskets are just so unreliable. Damn, that's what you call a two-stroke. Now it's time for the expansion chamber, or the rest of the pipe. So let's screw her on in. There it goes, boys. That's essentially what it's gonna start looking like in a couple of minutes. Woohoo! Finally, getting somewhere. Pedals clear. Alright, good. Now it's time to tighten up the exhaust with the big ass Russian fox, or well, technically Chinese, because one of them, yeah, there you go. But anywho, alright. Oh yeah, that thing's going nowhere. Exhaust back on, head back on, carburetor, brand fucking new reed valve plus carburetor assembly is on. I look like I just worked on a goddamn diesel truck or some shit, dude. What the fuck? Yeah.
Avanzar, vamos.
¿Cómo que avanzado? Mira. ¿Ya?
No, venga.
Hey, what is up, guys? So I'm at Bravo. It is a week later from okay, it is a week later from what you guys just saw. The last thing I was doing last week was getting the carburetor all set up and everything. I got that set up during the week, during school and whatever, because I had to go get back inside, do some homework. But again, it's the next week. I got everything set up again on the bike. Everything is tidy. Obviously I'm here because the bike starts. Yes, I did start the bike off camera. I could not wait, but technically no, I have a video of it on my phone. What do we call this? Spicy 2.0? 3.0? This is technically the third, I don't know. Anyway, whatever, guys. Me Spicy 3.0. this is what we got today. This is what the end product looks like. Don't mind all that orange stuff. That right there is a sealing. Is a copper. It's a gasket sealer. I'll explain that in a bit. There is some flaws with this setup. Yes, I know. The bigger the stuff are, things are, the more problems it comes with. Because we literally just added a whole new component to this bike. Apart from, you know, the big ass carburetor, a reed valve, which is more moving parts to this motor. It's not perfect. There are a few leaks, air leaks I'm referring to these gaskets. So that is what the problem is. It is air leaks. As you can see, there's a little fuel dripping down there. So yeah, that is the problem, air leaks. Over here, there's nothing really much of a problem here. The carburetor itself has been phenomenal. No problems with the carburetor, except for, you guys will see next video when I ride the bike, you guys will see all the problems. Just know that there's an air leak that I'm gonna be fixing in one of these next videos, and apart from that, that's pretty much it. I'll be discussing everything about it. I've only ridden it twice, so once and coming here, and so far it's been great. I just know that it's a little bit boggy, but again, I'll get on with that next video when I ride it and tell you guys all about it. So this is what the bike looks like. I am going to get started up right now, but this is what the bike looks like with this huge monster on it. Looks pretty insane. Comment down below what you guys think about it. I think it looks insane. Honestly, compared to the little itty bitty 10mm we have here, like, come on, put a photo right here. Jesus, it's retarded how much bigger this carburetor is with the reed valve, and it just fills this chassis up way more. And trust me, off of just riding it twice, this motor feels good. This motor feels real good. But enough yapping. I'm gonna get you guys a little exhaust clip and a little first startup on the channel. Hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.